Yeah, look at that left. Woo!
Straight there. Straight there. It's on.
It's firing, huh?
Dude, it's gonna be sick.
Let's go.
I got plenty of leg room, there is no seat in front of me.
Ah, dude. Stepped on like a nail or a tack, dude. Good morning, though. It's 6 a.m. on what could be a historic day. I know it sounds kind of whack, but it's true. Today's lining up to be quite the iconic day for multiple reasons. One of which, Hurricane Jova, a Category 5 hurricane, has been looming off the coast of Baja in Southern California, making its way into our swell window. This hurricane's lining up to be close to what Marie was. I'll pop up a clip right here of Hurricane Marie.
What is most likely the biggest and most consistent tropical swell in the last 25 years at least. And that's Hurricane Marie, which was in late August of 2014. You can make a pretty strong argument that it's the biggest tropical swell we've ever seen in Southern California and for most of Northern California as well.
We're frothing because this hurricane became a Category 5 hurricane with like wind speeds of 150 miles per hour, and it's taking the same track as Hurricane Marie.
Based on the latest satellite data and observations in Baja from today, swell from Hurricane Jova will be largest in Southern California on Saturday, especially at the spots exposed to the south-southeast direction.
It might be moving a little bit faster, and it also might not be as big of a storm as Hurricane Marie, but nonetheless, Surfline and a bunch of other forecasters are hyping this storm up to be quite a mental day of waves. And the WSL Finals are about to crown a world champion today. I'm cheering on my boy Griff from California, so Griff, but I'm also hyped to watch Felipe Toledo, Ethan Ewing, Jack Robinson, and the rest of the crew battle it out. As a surf fan, I'm truly hyped to watch the best men and women in the world battle out for a world title today. We'll bring you guys live updates of that and some behind the scenes of the surf contest. But our goal is to score some insane waves today, so stay tuned. Hopefully we can get some big barrels and then watch the WSL Finals. So let's get to it. All right, so we checked a couple spots. The swell is super steep and not hitting most of San Diego, but Lowers is firing. The WSL Finals are on, and Lowers is like 6, maybe 7 foot on the sets and pumping. So we're heading north. We're heading up to Newport Beach, California, where the prestigious The Wedge is, and Newport Point, which gets the hurricane swell really like that good. So I'm gonna pick up Molly, my filmer Kato, and head up there. So it's on. It's shaping up to be a sick day. Stay tuned. I may or may not get in a car crash. Selfie camming while I drive, but you know me, dude, I'm off the chain. Full what's up? Let's get to it. Gee. You ready for Hurricane Jova?
So ready, we're on.
Are you a Jova witness?
I'm a what?
Jova witness?
Oh yeah.
Isn't that what it's called?
I don't know what that even means.
Skip texted me last night. He's like, are you a Jova witness? I'm like, isn't that like the religion?
Yeah,
Skip's
that's
like,
what I kind of thought.
Skip's like, have you seen the hurricane yet? Are you a witness? How's this left on the far bar? Oh, dude, those lefts down there are insane. Yeah, look at that left. Oh.
Straight there. Straight there. It's on.
It's firing, huh?
Dude, it's gonna be sick.
Let's go. We're here on location at Newport Point. in Newport Beach, California. We're already getting vibed by the Newport boys, and it's firing, dude. Offshore, 4 to 6 foot. Supposed to get bigger all day, dude. I'm a Jova witness, as Skip would say it. We're seeing the Hurricane Jova in the water live. Molly's got 2 boards on the beach because she's pro as fuck.
Firing.
And it's kind of packed, actually. There's like 200 guys out here, dude. Newport's sketchy. But, yeah, we're on. Let's get it.
You don't gotta cut your hair, you don't gotta go it long, you don't gotta practice, you don't gotta sit, and you don't gotta sing that song. I am a swell survivor, I am the ocean sun. Oh, we're gonna make it, they will make it too, and we're gonna make it fun. Peace, yeah, let's do it, honey. Peace, yeah, we'll catch a ride. Peace, yeah, where are we going? Said we're going on a fucking peace ride. Got myself a little black truck, got myself a little black cat. Don't need the cab, we're leaving in my truck, and I got a full tank of gas. Don't need lots of money, no diamond in the rough, but if you want it, I can get it for you, and the big on the bluff. Please, yeah, do it, honey. Please, yeah, we'll catch a ride. Please, yeah, are we going to? We're going on a fucking beach ride. We're going on a fucking beach ride. Beach ride through the mountains, a beach ride through the mine, a beach ride through the ocean, a beach ride all the time. You don't gotta cut your hair, you don't gotta grow it long, you don't gotta practice, you don't gotta sit, and you don't gotta sing that song. I am a slow survivor, I am the ocean sun. Oh, we're gonna make it, they will make it too, and we're gonna make it fun. Peace, yeah, do it, honey. Peace, yeah, we'll catch a ride. Peace, yeah, are we going to? We're going on a fucking beach ride. We're going on a fucking beach ride. A beach ride through the mountains, a beach ride through the mine, a beach ride through the ocean, a beach ride on. We're going on a fucking beach ride.
Just dropped the crew back off of their cars. The sesh was not quite what we were expecting. It's pretty inconsistent, not even like half as big as I was hoping for this hurricane to be, but I got probably one of the sickest waves I've gotten in Southern California in a long time. Really long left barrel, came out, did a sick backside air. Everyone was saying it was combo of the day, possibly clip of the day, so I'm fired up. It was a success in my book. And lowers is firing. The finals are on. It's Felipe Toledo versus Ethan Ewing for the World Championship. Congrats to Caroline Marks, who just won the women's, and it looks like Felipe Toledo's about to take it out in the men right now. So congratulations to those two. And now I'm fired up to go surf pumping lowers with some of the best surfers in the world. Gonna go link up with a couple of boys and stack some clips at lowers. So stay tuned and give you a fired up hype reel at firing lowers. Whew.
Yeah, Zeke driving with Zeke off the chain.
Emergency lane, baby. Emergency lane. Oh, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh, that is so heavy. Yeah, good driving, buddy. Yeah. On the moto crew, bro. This is my normal way of getting down to lowers, dude. I don't got an e-bike. You know, all the e-bikes are cool and all, but I'm all about the gas-powered situation. Down the lowers. Yes, sir.
I'm a day Caesar.
Oh, ho, ho.
Nothing good to write about once again. seated in front of me. Put new strings on my Yamaha the first time it was restrung. I coiled the extra string on the train right here, it was fun. And now I'm 2 days in, filled with adrenaline, even thinking about the large stuff so far. 2 days in, bigger things are coming. Might get huge and I might even charge. Just told Chief I'm moving out, something I'm still kinda iffy about. Took a lady out to meet some ladies, bought the Chief some goodbye groceries, first guy out. Morning sickness, eerie big, little cold. Brought my 5'9" up to the river, got covered in a couple of minivals. And now I'm 2 days in, filled with adrenaline, even thinking about the large stuff so far. 2 days in, bigger things are coming. Might get huge and I might even charge. Might get huge and I might even charge. Off the first pages of Anything Air, I'm so lost, no one knows, no one cares. I don't know what to do, who, why, when, where. I'm so lost, no one knows, no one cares. I'm paying reasonable hotel fares. I'm so lost, no one knows, no one cares. In my room, sitting on a bed, not a chair. I'm so lost, no one knows, no one cares. I'm so lost, no one knows, no one cares. I'm so lost, no one knows, no one cares.
Dom Grom, dude, how was the sesh, bro?
Testing is pretty grindy and really bad, huh, Sword?
Yeah.
Sword, you got a couple though.
Yeah,
Go lower,
I
but
got a couple
you have your
sets.
dad. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Tom Grom got pushed in by Connor Coffin to wave at the day.
Yeah,
No way.
body glove. Yeah, I have body glove bros and salty curl.
What's the plan now, Grom?
Go skate, get some Carl's Jr.,
Carl's Jr. We gotta get better than that. Better food than that.
Chick-fil-A.
That's on fire.
Chick-fil-A.
And then what are you doing tonight?
Hang out with Haley.
You got some chicks tonight?
Haley surfer girl.
Yeah.
Does she rip?
Yeah, she rips.
Shout out, Dom.
She ripped at WSL online.
She's like a pro longboarder, huh? That's your girl. Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
How old is she?
She's gonna be in my heart forever.
Aw, cute, dude.
Old enough too.
Is she like 18? Is she over 18?
She's like 20 probably.
Oh, that's sick.
She's like a little cougar for you.
That's sick. She always go for the older chicks, huh? You're like me when I was your age.
Yeah.
Actually, I wasn't even going for chicks. How old are you?
13.
Yeah, I think
Alex
I
was
started going
gay
for
at
chicks when
13.
I was started going for chicks when I was like 15.
He didn't turn straight till he was
I
15.
definitely wasn't gay, but I don't think I started going for chicks till I was 15.
He didn't start sticking it in till he was 15.
Shut the fuck up, dude. You're
You
crazy.
didn't slip it in black flag style.
Black flag. Oh, I like your dog.
Yeah.
Black flag.
All right, Dom. Secret handshake. Skirt.
Skirt cut. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to Zeke! Like that shit. Put the notifications on so when he drops a banger, you already know you're gonna watch it. Ding,
Yeah.
ding.
Yeah,
Ding,
yeah.
ding,
Like,
ding.
comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Ain't that right, huh?